and good to see you after long
Thank
time
you.
after Big Boss. So, are you excited for the web series?
Uh, yes, I'm excited. I think more nervous than excited. But yeah, it's been fun.
And how was the experience working with Zinat Aman?
Oh, it was fabulous. She was. I met her on my first schedule and I was really nervous and I went babbling something to her. And I literally, I think, had a complete fangirl moment. And I think I told her this also. I said, I think I signed the web series only for you. And I introduced myself to her, obviously. And then I said that, I signed the web series only for you so I could just come and lie on your lap and, get some of your diva attitude. And she just looked at me and she said, darling, you don't need to introduce yourself. I know who you are. And I was just like, I died. She's lovely. And we hung out quite a bit. We spoke quite a bit. We were sharing. I mean, not sharing, but you have a common door in the van. So she's like, go and hang out with her. And she's really amazing.
And what kind of role you are playing, your character?
So my character's name is Mansi, and I can't reveal too much of the plot, but she's okay. So there's definitely shades of how I am in Mansi, so it was easier for me to play her. She's a bit boisterous, and she has a habit of sort of abusing a lot when she talks. And I do that in real life. My dad had warned me not to do that on Big Boss. And I don't remember if I did or not, but I hope I didn't. But so yeah, in this there's a lot of, I'm loud and I'm funny and I'm sort of the life of the group, but I'm a little bit of a, more with the boys in the sense that I'm a little tomboy.
So, you being in a reality show and now in TV, web series. So, what difference you find?
Well, I've done a lot of reality shows, and they've been different reality shows. So obviously, each one has had a difference even amongst the reality shows. I think Big Boss has helped me. Look, I got many movie offers when I was 15, 16, 17, right to my 20s, even through fashion with Madhur ji really tried to convince me to join the movies and I just wasn't interested. And there were some big roles and they were main leads and I just never wanted to be in the business. So I call myself an accidental actress and I think that somewhere along the line Big Boss helped in the sense that being around 80, I think it was 80 or 100 cameras, I don't remember now, for 3 months and just being yourself completely made me, or maybe the fact that I'm also older now and I just don't give a rat's ass about anything, about judgments. So I think that helped me. That and so that was the easy part, and also with such a big cast and crew to be able to get along with people. So that house teaches you that. So I mean, I've definitely drawn some. There's been a lot of good things that's come out from that experience, and I brought it into this. But yeah, I think that's just about it. And otherwise, it's completely new to me. So I learned everything being on set, and it was just an experience. And from the dubbing to everything. So like, I learned it while I was filming it. I didn't know if I would be good at crying. I didn't know if. I mean, I still don't know if I'm good at it, but whatever. I learned on the job.
Okay, lastly, how was the equation with Sonali?
Actually, Sonali and I don't have, we didn't have any schedules together. We don't, our paths don't cross in the series. So I haven't really actually met her. I think Zina G is here. So I haven't really met her. So but there's nothing. I mean, it was not, like, I talk to everybody from the season. I mean, it's stupid to be childish and, carry stupidity forward. Plus, you all see 45 minutes of a show. We're there for a lot longer, so what you'll see is very select viewing. Thanks.
विनोद जी यहाँ पे मैम लेफ्ट साइड विनोद जी विनोद जी एक ग्लास यहाँ पे हाथ काटे विनोद जी मैम यहाँ पे दुर्गेश बहुत आ गया राइट में मैम लेफ्ट में मैम भाई मांगिए थोड़ा रीना जी सामने और चलो भाई ट्राइपॉड पे लगा चलो पीछे अरे सारे लोग एक साथ एक साथ में फोटो ग्रुप पिक्चर सब लोग आ जाइए आ जाइए स्टार का टोपी थोड़ा पीछे नहीं आते पार्टिया रे अंकित पार्टिया इधर ये मार बैक पीछे दे लो रेडी आगे कितना साइड आ जा पीछे ये हटेगा तो पीछे आएगा ना नमस्ते थैंक यू अरे ये भाई टोपी कैमरा वैसे बढ़ा कैमरा बहुत आगे मैं ओके थैंक यू सो मच आगे मत जाओ पीछे आ गया अरे हमको आजा फोटो लो फोटो सर यहाँ पे सर अनिल सर एक मिनट कैमरा भाई एक मिनट यहाँ पे मार लो आप लोग मारो पहले बस ना ओके भाई फोटो मार बाइट कर लेना बाइट करो मेरे को भी चाहिए बाइट ले बाइट कर लेना
चल पूछ सवाल
Many congratulations, madam. Long awaited, and you are back now.
No, thank you so much. I'm very happy to be part of this web series. I'm not really back. It's a series, and I'm playing a small part, but I'm playing a very exciting character. So I'm happy.
What made you sign this film, and come on a web series?
Actually, it was Mr. Kapil Sharma who was responsible for this. We have had a very long association since Bandhan Kache Dhagon Ka, and then we worked in Don't Know Why 1, Don't Know Why 2. तो जब इन्होंने मुझे जोआना का रोल सुनाया तो it's a fascinating character. मुझसे बहुत हटके हैं, अलग हैं. Joanna is a little crazy, funny. So I love the character.
Ask anyone else.
And ma'am, you're being the role model for any aspiring actors. So many fresh faces are working with you. So किस type का experience है? Any tips you give to them?
No. I think आजकल की लड़कियाँ बहुत मंजे हुए हैं. उनको कोई टिप्स की ज़रूरत बिल्कुल नहीं है. They know their work, they know their craft, and I think the director was pretty much responsible for all their work.
अनिल जी, आप ही लेके आए जीनत जी को इस फिल्म में, क्योंकि आप ही का प्रभाव ज़्यादा रहा होगा ना?
नहीं, मेरा बिल्कुल प्रभाव जीनत जी पे का प्रभाव मुझ पर रहा है, बल्कि मेरा इन पर कोई प्रभाव नहीं रहा है. मैं तो इनका बहुत बड़ा फैन रहा था जब मैंने बंधन कच्चे धागों की थी. ये तो कपिल का आइडिया था. कपिल स्टार्टेड टू डू दिस वेब सीरीज एंड कपिल ने ऑलरेडी डोंट नो व्हाई में काम किया था इनके संग. तो फिर ये जीनत जी के पास गया और जीनत सेड यस बिकॉज शी लाइक द जोआना करेक्टर.
Ma'am, what's your role about in the film?
The very zingy, zany character, completely the opposite of what I am. She has, जैसे Janice और जसवीर में एक वजह थी कि जसवीर was the way she was. वैसे Joanna, there's a big reason why she is the way she is. She's loud, she's over the top, she wants to be involved in everything, everywhere. She's fun, she likes to go on dates, she's single, so she goes on dates every now and then, और उसका हर डेट में बहुत गड़बड़ हो जाता है. तो
Very interesting and funny character.
it's a funny character.
So, so ma'am, how it's working in a web series and how it is different from Bollywood?
Actually, the entire process is not different at all. I think the person to speak to is the director here. Why don't you address this question to him? How is it different from Bollywood?
I think it's
कितना एक डायरेक्टर्स एक्ट्रेस है कहते हैं कि एक्ट्रेस जीनत जी कितना डायरेक्टर्स एक्ट्रेस है
totally director's actor. You know, like whatever जो exact character है, ये एकदम उसके अंदर अपने अंदर ये ले लेती हैं और इनके एक बहुत स्पेशल है कि हमेशा कम से कम अभी भी है 15 दिन पहले she takes her script and she especially again she writes in her own hand. That is a very unique thing.
कपिल आपको सिर्फ कैमरे में देखना है क्योंकि you have to look in the
Yeah,
camera
yeah.
and then speak. So complete your sentence again, sir, please.
Zeerat ji is a totally director's actor and she really still works so hard on it and she's like an inspiration for us and इनका स्पेशल ये है कि ये शूटिंग के अभी भी 15 दिन पहले ये स्क्रिप्ट ले लेती हैं हर डायलॉग्स को ये फिर से अपने हाथ से लिखती हैं दैट्स अ स्पेशल सीक्रेट ऑफ हर
आपको क्या लगता है जो आज की इतनी सारी एक्ट्रेसेस आ रही है हाउ द टाइम हैज चेंज्ड फ्रॉम बैक इन द 80s 90s or 70s?
This is an industry, and an industry is always growing, always changing. But हमारे यहाँ phenomenal talent है. The girls are very talented. They are beautiful. I always say this: our girls are beautiful. They know to dance. They know to fight. They know how to present themselves. I think Indian ladies are amongst the most beautiful girls in the world. Would you agree?
मैं एक बात कहना चाहूँगा जीनत जी के बारे में जीनत अमान वो एक चेंज थी जो बॉलीवुड में अपने आप लेके आई थी वो चेंज ही आज तक चल रहा है उस चेंज से कुछ भी ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ जो जीनत लेके आई थी 70s में उसके आगे अभी तक कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है वो अपने आप में इतना बड़ा चेंज था जीनत अमान का जो किरदार है आज भारत में जितनी लड़कियां यंग लड़कियां भी हैं मैंने बोला जीनत अमान वो एक्ट्रेस है जिसने हिंदुस्तान की लड़कियों को जीन्स पहनना सिखाया आज अगर कोई भी लड़की जीन्स में है तो वो सिर्फ जीनत जी की मेहरबानी है आज कोई भी लड़की मॉडर्न है तो वो सिर्फ जीनत जी की मेहरबानी है क्योंकि इनके आगे कोई चेंज आया ही नहीं है जीनत अमान द लास्ट चेंज ऑफ दिस बॉलीवुड
मैम आपकी अपने आप में किस एक्ट्रेस में देखते हैं अपने आप को आजकल किस एक्ट्रेस में अपने आप की छवि देखती हैं?
किसी ने पूछा कि अगर कोई बायोपिक आपका करेगा तो आप कौन से एक्टर्स को आप चाहोगे कि आपका बायोपिक करें तो आई वुड से प्रियंका चोपड़ा.
मैम इस मुकाम पे पहुंचने के बाद एक कोई ख्वाहिश है जो रह गई है जो बॉलीवुड से आपकी
ऐसी कोई
कोई फिल्म कोई रोल अदा करना चाहती हो
I am grateful for everything I've experienced. Happy.
मैम लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल ऑल्सो वो आपके बारे में जानना चाहते हैं आपकी लाइफ कुछ लिखना चाहेंगी आप लाइक अपनी जीवनी या कुछ ऐसी बायोग्राफी ऑटोग्राफी
ये हो सकता है आगे जाकर के मैं कुछ करूं.
तो मैडम इसको एलाबोरेट करिए ना कब हो सकता
नहीं
है
जब लिखूंगी तब एलाबोरेट करूंगी.
अभी क्यों करें
मैडम एक सवाल है जिस तरह से बॉलीवुड में लिरिक्स यूज किए जाते हैं महिलाओं को लेके आपको इस तरह से लिरिक्स यूज करना चाहिए कमोडिफिकेशन यूज किया जाता है
I think it's
मैम
irrelevant
कुछ कहना चाहिए
Not on this platform.
for this.
जब एक विमेन एम्पावरमेंट का प्लेटफॉर्म होगा ना तब
मैम आप विमेन एम्पावरमेंट से जानी जाती हैं
यहाँ हम वेब सीरीज के बारे में बात करें.
मैम लास्ट 2 क्वेश्चंस अगर आपको इस समय के किसी एक्टर के साथ काम करना अमंग द न्यू गाइज हु इट विल बी?
it depends. I've never been an actor's actress. I've always been a director's actress. So to me it will matter who is my director and what is the role I am playing. बाकी एक्टिंग कोई
फिर भी कोई पसंद आजकल के
different actors are good in different roles. Different actors are good in different roles. Hrithik was amazing in Jodha Akbar. पुरानी हो गई but look at the Akbar he played. Shah Rukh Khan was very good in Raees, and Salman is always entertaining. And of course, Amir is, you cannot, he is so perfect in everything that he does. So it's different actors in different roles. So it depends on the director, it depends on the script, and it depends on the role.
आजकल के जो कलेक्शंस होते हैं वो भी बहुत एनॉर्मस हो गए हैं फिल्म के भी 100 बाहुबली व्हाट यू से आप क्या कहना चाहोगे आजकल के जो नए लैंडमार्क और ऐतिहासिक फिल्में कलेक्शंस के मामले में भी होने लगी?
It's wonderful. It is revenue being generated for people who have worked so hard. See, people work very hard. लोगों को पता नहीं चलता कि कितनी मेहनत गई है एक प्रोजेक्ट में. लोग दिल और दिमाग और जान से काम करते हैं. तो जब ये सफलता है ना पाते हैं तो बहुत खूबसूरत और अच्छी बात है.
मैम एक लास्ट चीज पूछूं, अभिषेक बच्चन आपको बहुत याद करते हैं ना कि टेल्स लॉट्स ऑफ फॉन्ड मेमोरीज विद यू.
I remember him as this cute little boy used to hold his mother's pallo and hide and peek at me behind his mother's pallo. And I had very fond memories of him as a child. Gee.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you.
चल.